you're going to get in the pack. So you're going to get your docking unit here. This is your top ring here, your connect cable. Then you're going to get some 16mm and 20mm screws, along with some anchor nuts and some washers. But let me show you guys how we're going to install this. We're going to remove the 15 screws here. You just need a Phillips screwdriver. And there is one screw that is hidden underneath the sticker here. Alright, so now that we have all the screws removed, all we need to do is pull up on this. There is a little bit of a lip here. Lift it and pull it to the side. Alright, so we're just going to line this up, push it through. It's going to sit nice and flush. Okay, just like that. Then we're going to flip it over and we're going to put our screws in right here, right where these two little arms are. So these ones are going to be the shorter of the 4 screws. These ones are 16mm. So what we're going to do is going to hold it in place like that, and then we'll just tighten it down. Nice and snug. We don't have to over tighten it. We're going to get our quick connect cable. It's going to connect to this wire coming from the STX. It will only go in one way, so you're just going to line that up, clip it in place. When you're installing the prism fader, on the left hand side, when the logo is pointing up, that means it's going to be normal. When the logo is pointing down, that means it's going to be hamster. On the right hand side, when the logo is pointing down toward you, that is going to be normal. If it is pointing up, that is going to be hamster. These are the 20mm, and we're going to screw them directly into the cradle itself. It is very important not to over tighten the screws in here, or you're going to end up damaging the housing of the prism fader. Let's get the anchor nuts and we'll tighten it from the bottom. Here you can hold with your fingers, give it a tiny little turn. The other one, tiny little turn. And that's that. When we go to put this back on, we just need to get underneath this here like that. Before we put all the screws back in, we're going to turn this on. We're going to make sure everything is functioning correctly. Turn fader reverse on. Fader select over.